I've been a Descript user since I started my podcast back in late 2021. It is a tool that helps me record both audio and video and edit that video and audio using some amazing tools. With Descript, you get to edit from the script itself. So it generates a transcript and you edit that as you would a Word doc. For example, as you're taking something out of your script, it's also coming out of the audio and the video version as well. It makes it so much easier for me to edit audio and video within my business. I'm a DIYer. I don't outsource these things, and Descript makes that possible for me. It also has really cool features like studio sound, which pull out any of those background noises and make my audio sound better, and auto levels my clips so that everything is at the same volume. Things that I wouldn't be able to do as easily without Descript. Today I want to share some of the new AI features that Descript is coming out with. The first one we're going to talk about is the new AI eye contact feature. If you've ever recorded a video, you know it can be so hard to keep eye contact with the camera, and that eye contact helps build a relationship with the person viewing it. When you're looking at them, they feel more connection, but again, it's so hard to keep your eye on the camera, especially if you have a webcam that's separate from your computer, or even on your computer, having that camera up above where you're looking, you always just look kind of funny. So with this new feature, Descript is making it so that your eyes look like they're looking at the camera. Let's do an example. Right now I'm reading my script. My eyes are not looking at the camera at all. I've got my face towards the camera, but my eyes are shifted to the side so that I can read what I want to say and keep track of my notes and keep track of my subject. You can see over on the other side of the screen how Descript has changed my eye contact to make it look like I am looking at the camera when in fact I am not at all. Let's take a look at some of the edit features with AI. Under Actions, you're going to click Ask AI and then go to Edit. It's got these new options for remove retakes, where I will get caught up on my words and have to say things over and over again until I get it right. This makes that so much easier to edit. I also love the Edit for Clarity. It helps pull out any excess information and helps me pull those those other things out as well, the filler words, which there are specific tools for filler words and word gaps as well, but that Edit for Clarity does help with more of the context part of it. Adding chapters or markers, removing filler words, shorten word gaps, and then adding scenes by active speaker is great if you're recording an interview. It allows me to create reels or video where only the person speaking is shown on the screen. I tend to have that resting bitch face. I have the worst faces when I am listening to an interview. I'm always so intent and interested that my face is not super cute. So having that add scenes by active speaker is super helpful for me to keep only the person speaking on the screen and my listening face off of my videos. Let's see how those tools work. So we're going to go back to the last little clip that I recorded showing you the tools, and I'm going to show you actually how I have edited it. If you look here, there are parts where I said things over and over again, and I'm going to go ahead and go in and do Ask AI, remove retakes, and press the little arrow. My AI is thinking. All right, you can see here where it took those retakes and edited them out for me, and then I can just click to apply edits to this script or copy the edits over to a new composition and then make further edits from there. There are so many other great new tools. We can use the AI in Descript to write a YouTube description, podcast notes, help summarize the content. You can also use it to help rewrite the script to make it better or find interesting clips to share. The other feature that I do want to highlight today, though, is AI voices. With AI voices, you can generate audio from text. With this, you can create audio with your own voice or with a stock voice. For example, this would be useful if you have recorded something and gone back to edit it and the sound is just off. Sometimes a car honks, or maybe you coughed or your voice got gravelly for a minute and you need a different version of that, but you don't have the ability to record it again. With that, you can use your AI voice to correct what it sounds like so that you've got a better version of it. This obviously works best when it's an audio-only format, but it is super helpful, especially for podcasting or recording audio trainings. I use Descript nearly every day within my business, and these new tools have made it so much more beneficial. I use Descript in place of Loom for sending people one-on-one videos. I use it within my courses to create educational videos. I use it to record my podcast and any other content. I'm using it right now to record this YouTube video. So Descript is a very robust, feature-rich platform. You can find more details about it and a link in the description below. I hope this has been helpful for you. Subscribe for more on AI, websites, and marketing for small businesses.